is the right time to enter a stock like Welspun Living. Now, this is a home textile manufacturer, and let's come to you on this one, Chokalingam, and I will also take your view on this, Amar, just after Chokalingam's analysis on this one. So we were just talking about how discretionary spending is going to grow, or is expected to grow rather, given our RBI rate cut policy and the government's boost to consumption. Do you think counters like Welspun Living will see an uptrend, because the charts don't look pretty positive from the short-term view?
Yeah, definitely. But the stock has already corrected almost 40-45%, and the valuation multiple also has shrunk quite reasonably. And also, it is known for delivering good return for shareholders. If you see Welspun Group's performance over the last 10-15 years, so I would give accumulate rating over next 1.5 months. On every small decline, also one can consider buying Welspun Living.
Okay. And Amar, what is your sense of Welspun Living looking like?
So if I look at Welspun Living, see, the stock has been on a correction mode from almost 200 odd levels when the stock had made a high of 212 in August of 2024. The stock is currently in a downtrend. It's trying to form some sort of base around the current level. So we'll have to wait and watch, because earlier also it had made a low of somewhere around 120. So ideally 115, 120 is a level where the stock should find some support. And there maybe one can look at some buying opportunity, but not at the current levels.
Got it. Let's take our next caller, and that's Kanan. Kanan, welcome to the show, Kanan. And what's your query about?
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
My query is to Chokalingam sir.
Okay.
So I hold 220 shares of Motilal Oswal Financial Services at an average price of 787. I'm looking for a view of 2 years.
Okay. Okay, got it. So, Mr. Chokalingam, the question is directed to you. So, I'll take it to you. Your outlook on Motilal Oswal. Our viewer currently is sitting on a loss on the counter. He has 220 shares at a price of 787 rupees a piece.
Yeah, now capital market is a down cycle, so it's a tough time for even for big people, and of course, small people you need not explain the current situation. But the viewer said 2 years. I am sure in 2 years, Motilal Oswal once again can definitely bounce back, having seen the track record in the last 10-15 years. So definitely it's a hold. On any further decline, it's a good buy also for medium to long term.
Understood. So it's